Well, hello, Mohammed. How are you? My name is Jack Bosma. I create content on Udemy, and I know you also create content on Udemy. I develop, implement, instruct, evaluate, design, and deliver courses. I focus on any language, any lesson, anytime, anywhere. My name is Jack Bosma. Nice to meet you, Mohammed Ismail. Would you like to introduce yourself?
Thank you very much. My name is Muhammad Ismail. I am an instructor on Udemy. Past 5 years, I am teaching on Udemy. I have published about 35 courses on Udemy where have 100,000 students enroll in my courses. I have teach on information technology, web development, uh, digital marketing, and search engine optimization, cyber security. You can find me on Udemy. Find my name Muhammad Ismail.
Well, we're looking for you, and we're also looking for me because not only have I previously published courses, but I'm helping other Udemy facilitators, instructors, and other people who are learning on the platform to create courses. So that's why I wanted to create this brief introduction, and we will be concluding our lessons very shortly. So, welcome to our lessons, ladies and gentlemen. Let's have fun and let's learn with each other. Not only are we instructors and teachers, but we should all be focused on learning. Thank you.